Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you a feature which has been live for a long time, but I see very few HubSpot admins use this. So I myself came across this problem statement when I was working with a client from the education industry. So basically, it was the school management who was using HubSpot, and for them it was very difficult to identify parents and children in this particular scenario. So how it worked is all of the contacts in the CRM were parents, and the kids over here were the deals which were created. So if a parent signed up for the admission form and if the children got selected, a deal was created and then everything was synced right away. But because HubSpot has contacts and deals as the standard objects, it was difficult for their team to identify those, and that caused a lot of confusion. So what we did was we renamed it as per their business operations. So in this scenario, we renamed the standard objects to reflect the parents and kids. So that's how what I'm going to show you over here, how you can do it for your business operations. So all you need to do is go to settings. Or here you can see project library. You click on it and we'll see these standard objects over here, contacts, deals, company. So I go to contacts, click on details. Over here, there's this pencil icon over here. It's new. So for my particular use case, I'm bringing it to pair. Okay. And over here, payments. Okay. So this is a singular and this is a Bluetooth now. Similar, I go to deals, click on this pencil icon again. Okay. And kits and set this again. So now as you can see, the contact and deal object names have been changed to parent and kids to reflect the naming terminology which they use for their business operations. And I come over here, this takes a oh, thanks. This has already been populated. So now if you see in place of contacts, we now have parents, and in place of deals, we now have kids. So this reduced their confusion, and they were able to per- better perform because they knew these terminologies. So this increased their overall efficiency as well. So you can do this as well for your own business operations. You can rename any of these objects, contacts, companies, deals to reflect your business terminologies and talk about. So hope. Thank you.